Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to Finner PMS, Finner Property Management System. And the Finner PMS is one of the most easy to use property management systems that you're going to come across. Whether you're running a service apartment, a hotel, a real estate business, or even a multi-style business where you have, let's say, multiple Airbnbs and then a hotel, then a real estate property, all under one umbrella. So that's probably the only software in the world that can help you manage all multiple different property types under one umbrella. So what do I mean by that? You can have different configurations. You can even have, let's say, a paying guest kind of a property, and that can also be set up under one common login, and you can do everything from your invoicing, room blocking, reservation, payments, WhatsApp updates, your integration with your point of sale, even have a guest application. So the possibilities are endless, but what makes it easy, what makes it really the difference as far as the software is concerned, that it's very easy to use. So you'll find it that it doesn't require much time to learn. And the purpose of today's video is that we're going to look at how to create a group reservation with a common invoice number, and where you also have the option of charging different rates for each room. So let's say you have a walk-in and somebody, let's say there is a marriage party and they need 10 rooms and all across 3 different categories. So you give one room for, let's say, $100, the other one for $150, and then the third one for $200. So you can actually do that, and you can bill one particular party. And that can even, you can even bill a company, so that can be a bill to a company and that can pay later with the reconciliation being done post-checkout. You also have the option of just billing an individual. So all these options exist, and I'll try and move this out of the way so it becomes a little simpler. That's just a little promotional gig. So you can see the screen, that's your home screen. We'll go over to the reservations page now. So previously I had made a video where I'd shown you how to create a group reservation with the same tariff and a common invoice number. You also have the option of creating a group reservation with all independent invoices. So just helps you make, like, let's say up to 10 bookings at one time. If you have 10 friends and booking 10 different rooms and with a similar tariff or a different tariff, you can just do it from at one click. So let's say test same common invoice. This is just something random that I'm putting in. Let's say ABC at menu, any number. Select the sort of booking. So let's say it's a sales team, and the invoice type you select common group invoice. Here you search the date. Let's say if I want to create one from 21st to 22nd, that is today to tomorrow, I search. Then the search is going to give me the available rooms that I have for check-in at this point in time. This is very important. From here, you toggle and select which ones do I want. So let's say I want this one, Winsome R00, and I want room 101, and I want, let's say, DI101, and I click on finalize selected rooms. Once I do that, then this is my selection. It's very important here that you follow the exact steps, because that's how this system functions. Now here I click on per room different daily tariff, because that is what we had discussed. First thing you need to do is you need to go to the meal plan. You need to select meal plans for each of the rooms, because you're having different tariffs, so they can all have different meal plans. And that's the beauty of it. So let's say you charge one room for 2,000 and that has doesn't have breakfast. The other one can be 3,000 rupees with breakfast, and then so on and so forth. So that becomes really helpful. Gives you a lot of options. Let's say I select breakfast and no meals for the last one, and now I input the daily tariff here. Let's say 2,000, 4,000, sorry, that's one extra zero, and here I mentioned 1,500. I'm just putting random numbers. Now here is the very important part. Now here you need to click top down. You need to click the first row, then the second one, then the third one. The moment you click the third one, you'll see, but it's important to click it in order. And you click that, and there you have it. You have created a common invoice group reservation. So that's how you get it done. And then obviously it'll be a similar function that you can check the guest in, and then you can do the checkout as you were normally used to doing. So obviously there's a lot of test data because this is a sample that we're showing. Now you'll see this booking that we just created right now. And the good thing is you check in any one booking. So you can click on booking details here. You check in any one of the rooms and all of them will get checked in because it's a common check-in. So same time, same invoice number, and just the only difference is that the tariff of each room is different. So even when you order food or anything else, it'll get added to the primary booker. So here you click on check-in group. Once you do that, you'll see that the group will get checked in, and yeah, there you go. And there you have the option of sending the check-in mail or not. And then here you can add services and just run it like a normal booking. And when you need to check out, you can click on start group checkout. So that's pretty much it. And thank you for your time.